If your garden has no life, it's not a coincidence. And no matter how many plants you have, if there's no system, there's no wildlife. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform any space into a real ecosystem. Welcome to Genetics Growers. Thank you for visiting our video. Here we talk about cultivation, living soil, and how to work with nature, not against it. Today we see fewer butterflies, fewer birds, even fewer insects. And it's not because nature is completely disappearing. It's because we're removing the spaces where it can exist. Many modern gardens may look beautiful, but ecologically, they're dead. Perfect lawns, decorative plants, but no real life. We're not creating habitats, we're creating decoration. The 4 pillars of an ecosystem. If you truly want to attract wildlife, you need to understand this. Every ecosystem is built on 4 essential elements: food, water, shelter, and space. Food. Without food, nothing arrives. But not every plant works. Wildlife depends on specific food sources: insects, nectar, seeds, and fruits. Water. Water is one of the most limiting factors. A small water source can completely change the activity in your garden. Shelter. Wildlife doesn't just look for food, it also needs safety. Without shelter, it won't stay. Space. Even in small spaces, you need structure. Different heights, different layers. That's what creates life. You can have all of this and still fail to attract life. Why? Because you're using the wrong plants. Many ornamental plants don't support local insects, and if there are no insects, there's no ecosystem. Insects are the foundation of everything. They are the first link in the chain. Plant, insect, bird, predator. When you eliminate insects, you break the entire system. More than 70% of plants depend on pollinators. Without them, there's no balance. How to create your ecosystem. Now let's talk about how to actually build one. Native plants. Native plants are the foundation of the system. They're adapted to the environment and support local wildlife. Diversity. Don't plant everything the same way. Mix heights and plant types. The more diversity you create, the more life you attract. Imperfect areas. Everything doesn't need to look perfect. Leaves, branches, and organic matter create life. Water. Even a small water source can make a huge difference. Fewer chemicals. Every chemical removes part of the system. Less control, more balance. This isn't about controlling nature. It's about collaborating with it. A living garden isn't perfect, but it's full of life. You don't need a forest. Your garden, your backyard, even a small space, can become a real refuge. If you found value in this content, follow us and subscribe. We also have a blog with articles about cultivation methods, agriculture, current trends, and much more. And let us know in the comments, what would you like to attract to your garden?